Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. And here's what's up today. Um, what I'm interested in doing is seeing if we could get the data exported to Excel as opposed to CSV. I honestly tried before on a different environment and failed. I don't know what's up with the environment. It could be the software that I choose to use and this, that, and the other. But before we get into it, I would like to start off with the intro. Okay, see where we are. We are good to go. All right, let's get it started. All right, I'm going to be in my other environment here. I'm going to go ahead and run this program. See what we got. Okay, the program we're using is UiPath Studio. And what we're going to do is we're going to simply modify one of the, we're going to modify a process. So we're going to give it a shot. We're going to reload the project and we're going to save it as something else right off the bat. So I'm going to go to save as. Going to modify a few things. Save it as main 2. Alright, well, write the CV CSV was easy. We're going to take that part of the process out. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to get with the, we're going to use Excel application scope. I'm going to go to the path to the workbook that I want to. Alright, so in this case, there's no items. I'm going to make a new Excel worksheet. And today's date. And we'll go ahead and use that as our file. And then we'll use a right range. Drag it there. I'm going to take this block here. It's always going to be blank. And I'm going to reference the data table. Data table 1. Alright, everything should be good from this point out. Save our work before we go. And without further ado, all browsers are closed. Let me. I'm gonna make it open Excel. Open from scratch so we can see what it's going on. And hopefully this works. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a Chrome window. Page loads. Next page gets loaded. Data gets collected. And once again, I hope this works. We got a few pages to go through yet. Ooh. Bare bones gaming computers. Now the goal is hopefully we get an Excel sheet full of data. Cause I don't mess with CSV anymore. I rarely ever use that. And I'm sure a lot of you folks don't either. I mean, but if I need to use that, that's just one additional step. Okay. Now there's no timeout built into it, but the next page should be coming up soon, and there it goes. Okay. All right. It looks like we are done. So it made a output file for us. And there's our data in Excel format. Unfortunately, it didn't get the header, but that's okay. But if you want to get the header, what you would do is I believe it's at the right range, and you would select add headers, and then you would have the headers, the all important headers. Um, so just like the CSV example, we just modified a few things, and we were able to get the Excel example working for us. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a line. If you have any ideas or anything, once again, feel free to speak your mind. Um, like the video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And I think I'm going to take it back and